in the world?
Did you trick me?
Hey everyone, today we are at Loews Royal Pacific Resort in Orlando, Florida. Here is a room tour we are excited to share with you. Alright, let's do this. As you walk in, you will see to the right a full king-size bed. It was extremely comfortable and we slept really well. Great lighting in here. I'll also show you that on both sides of the bed they do have plugs and USB ports. A telephone you can find there, also a little information about the hotel, and an alarm clock. The seating area was really nice. You could see the TV, but also out the window. We were on the lowest floor, but the island vibe was awesome. Really made you feel like you were on vacation. There were also plug-ins and USB ports at this little office desk in the corner of the room, which worked out great for charging after a long day at the theme parks. Regular TV, which is super cool. There was some waters there that you had to pay extra for. Again, the Polynesian theming was throughout this room. We absolutely loved it. Alright, well, we really know why you're on this vlog, so wait no more. The Jurassic World Kids Suite was incredible. It was a highlight of our trip. Watch the end of this vlog to see how our kids reacted. It was a surprise. Everything was incredible, down to the carpet, also the decals on the wall, posters, and then sleeping in your own gyrosphere. How cool is that? We definitely would recommend this room. Everything was amazing and the kids had a time of their life. Every little detail had the kids scrambling around the room for hours, finding different things that they loved. There is a personal closet for the kids where they can hang up and put their luggage. Also underneath the TV were shelves where they could put stuff. Then right to the right of here, they had like a little workspace, which was really cool. The kids enjoyed it as well. There is a little personal thermostat. If you want to have difference in temperatures in both rooms, you can do that. Make sure that the kids are comfortable. Again, these posters on the wall, super detailed and really cool to look at. Let's go check out the other room, bathroom, and storage space. As you walk into the room, like any other hotel, there's plenty of space where you can hide the hanger, hair dryer, and then also a safe plus hangers to hang things up. Plenty of space. The restroom was a standard restroom, but absolutely gorgeous. Plenty of space. The shower there, and then all your regular resort and hotel amenities. We really did enjoy this room. It was a great time, even though for a short time. We loved everything about it. Now it's time to see how the kids reacted when we surprised them.
Yes! Gyro's here! Yes! Oh! Did you trick me? Did you have your own gyrosphere?
Hey, buddy.
You have your own gyrosphere?
Look down, look down!
Oh my goodness.
Look down! Look here! Gyro's here! Yes! Oh!
What in the world?
Did you trick me?
What in the world? You have your own gyrosphere?
And Nika's gonna come down.
You have your own gyrosphere?
Look down, look down!
Oh my goodness.
Look down!
Look down.
Lexi feet!
That's
way bigger.
You have your own table?
And we have our own TV.
Oh my goodness.
That can be our fire. Oh, that can be our stuffy lounge. And look at the wall.
Wow.
Are you excited?
If you've enjoyed this content, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you stay in the loop anytime we drop new content. I'll put links in right now of other hotel and resort reviews, especially the full tour of the Loews Royal Pacific at Universal Orlando, Florida. See you next time.